I now want to take a little time to talk about some advanced search techniques, the most important of which might be Boolean operators. Boolean operators, you'll see them depicted as or, and not, all capitalized, allow you to limit your search results before you even search. We previously talked about limiting your search after you've searched, but using Boolean operators allows you to broaden or narrow your results as you make this initial search. The Boolean operator or, for example, allows you to broaden your search. Once again, let's return to our previous example about 18th century poetry. If we navigate back to the library's homepage, I'm now going to search for the terms 18th century poetry and English poetry, which is just one of the many kinds of 18th century poetry. And remember, we want to capitalize the or. After we click search, we can see that we have a huge number of results. This is because by adding the or, we've actually searched for any resource that contains information on either 18th century poetry or English poetry. We've essentially combined the results for both search terms. Now I'll ask you to navigate back to the homepage and use the second Boolean operator and see what happens. We can now see that these results are definitely a little more manageable. This is because the Boolean operator and links concepts together, in this case, 18th century poetry and English poetry, and thereby only retrieves results that contain both concepts. Let's navigate one last time back to the home page and try the last Boolean operator, not. Once we enter in our search terms, we can see that there's even less results. This is because the Boolean operator not excludes terms. In this case, we've excluded English from our search results, meaning that we should only see examples of 18th century poetry in languages other than English. This is by no means a perfect method for searching, but it can certainly get us closer to what we're looking for. There might be a situation in which you forget to add a Boolean operator or want to add them retroactively. Worry not, you can always click on Advanced Search towards the top right corner of your screen to the right of the search bar, which should bring you to this screen where you can click on one of the drop-down boxes and select the Boolean operator you want to use.